in this episode.
We have another absolute gorgeous day outside. Got a little bit of wind, but I'm not gonna complain. The sun's out, I'm out, we're gonna have some fun today. And today we're heading to Sounding Knob Fire Tower, located in Highland County, Virginia. It's another place that I haven't heard of, and it's less than an hour from my house. So a big shout out to Jeremy for recommending this to me. If you're watching, buddy, we're gonna go check this out now. And the drive there is absolutely spectacular. I haven't been down into Virginia this way in a while, and it's just beautiful countryside the whole way. On the journey, we get to pass through the small town of Monterey, Virginia. It's a beautiful little town nestled in the valleys between the mountain ranges. And one of those mountain ranges has the tower we're after, if you can see from this shot. We're so close, but so far away. We still have a couple mile drive to get there, so let's go.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Sounding Knob Road.
We have arrived, and it is cold up here. Also windy, so I apologize ahead of time if we get wind in the video. So today I've brought with me the drone, the GoPro, my iPhone, I got the iPad for flying the drone, extra batteries, which reminds me, a quick word from the sponsor of today's video. Yes! Never mind. This thing looks wicked. If you see me with my mask on, it's not to prevent COVID. It's to help prevent pneumonia.
The tower gets its name from its original location on Sounding Knob, where it was constructed in 1934. It was disassembled and removed from that location in 2002, and later in 2017, it was restored and now sits on top of Jack Mountain, overlooking the town of Monterey.
say have a fear of heights, but this one has me kind of sketched out. And the wind's up, you can feel the whole thing just moving around.
The sky's so far away tonight, but I can't lose this one. Got a pride of a falling night. Thought that I was fit to fight for us to be. You gave me life for loving me. Tell me where did we go so wrong?
You guys hear the wind? You can feel the whole thing just shaking. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. The wind is ripping it. That is a beautiful, beautiful view out through there. It's definitely 360 views. This is amazing. And down there is the little town of Monterey that we came through to get here. So there you have it, guys. A very unique spot to come and venture to. It's a beautiful old fire tower. I heard from a local that was here earlier that this fire tower used to set like a couple miles up on the tallest ridge. And then later in 2017, it was reconstructed at this spot. There's reconstruction crew names. Like I said, it's a very unique little tower. Got a little trap door here. You can close down, have more room to maneuver around up here. Those valleys, the mountains and the valleys, absolutely epic. Well, this has been a fun little adventure to have you guys tag along with me. I gotta start making my trek back down all these stairs because the elevator is currently out of order. So, make sure to like the video, get subscribed to the channel if you're not already, and I will catch you guys on the next flight.